What's up, guys? TommyTheBull here. I want to go over a little bit with you about this week's watch list here. This is November 11th through November 15th is the week 2019. And what we're looking at is we're looking at the S&P 500 making all-time highs. Been on a nice little run here for about the past 5 weeks, just consistent new highs all the way up. And now we have this major breakout here on this red trend line right here. This is a major level. This level dates back years. So this is a major resistance level and beautiful, nice breakout here and a gap up while doing it. So a nice breakaway gap. Couple of days up here, been trading, been having no problem making new highs pretty consistently. And now what we're looking at is trying to see what we think this is going to do for this upcoming week. So my next profit target here for the S&P 500 is going to be, if we scroll up here, it's going to be at around 312. Now, we don't know if it's going to come back down and retest this level before it makes its way up to there. So what we want to do is we want to pay attention to this. We want to pay attention how the price action's been every time it's made new highs. Every time it's made new highs, it's kind of traded in a little box here and consolidated a little bit. Before it could push back up, it's usually come down a little bit. So I'm expecting this week, I'm expecting a slight move to the downside. Nothing crazy. And I would love to see a retest of this trend right here, 305.79. I think a retest of this level, this 305.79 level, all the way even down to 305. I think this would be great for the market. Let it see if it can prove itself on this trend and potentially bounce off here and make a new high. I think that'd be a very powerful move for the market. I think we'd really be looking at a nice strong bull run up to this next level at that time, which would be this dual trend line that I have here at 314.07. So that's what I'm looking for this week on the SPY. Is I'm looking for a bit of a consolidation and potentially a move to the downside. Now, if we get a new high and a new move and a new high to the upside, so I think what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to pay attention to a move maybe to about 310.50. I don't think we're going to get more than a point on this break of 309.65. So 310.50 is going to be the next level. I'm going to be looking for a potential candle, a daily candle to stop up there and maybe a little price check and see if we can hold. So going to my watch list here for the week, there's two stocks in mind that I'm paying an extra close attention to this week. One is Amazon. So what we're looking at here on Amazon, if we delete some of these micro trends that I have in here, let's just delete those and let's click on our trend box and let's go ahead and let's click this area right here. What I want to show you is this right there. So what I'm looking for here for Amazon is Amazon's been holding this 1780 level pretty well. The 1777, 1780 level has been a pretty key level here. I think if we can break up above this trend line, we might be able to see a nice open spot and a free run on Amazon this week. So this is what the chart looks like. And this is the area I'm looking for it to break. Right here. What I want to see is I want to see Amazon come up. I want to see it break past this level here. Once it's broken past this level and gone to 1815, set an alert there. Sometimes Thinkorswim could be a little slow. So let's set an alert right here. So that'd be a potential for calls at or above 815.72. So there's our alert set, and this is the area I'm looking to have break. This would be the previous week's high. Previous week's daily high above there. I'd be looking for almost a 20-point move, a potential 20-point move on the break of that level. So I'm looking for that for Amazon and also paying very close attention to Disney. Disney's got a nice gap up here on earnings, but opened up and failed, as you can see on the chart over here. So let's zoom in on Disney. So let's get a little examination of price action here. So Disney gap up. Earnings were great. Absolutely no reason to cause this whole sell-off here except for any investor that was long, maybe between the 130 level all the way to the 133 level, has been a range where it's been trading on for quite some time. Potential for profit taking here on this gap up. So I'm watching this into Monday, but one of the things that I'm paying attention to is that it wasn't able to cross over VWAP intraday, and it wasn't able to maintain anything up above VWAP. So Monday may be a slight range day for Disney, but if Disney can stay up above VWAP on Monday and potentially get a close and get a slight run up like this into close, I think what we could see is a break of this 141 level, and I think that could really start Disney off on a little bit of a run here because Disney Plus is coming. I actually canceled my Netflix subscription, signed up for Disney Plus, and I think Disney Plus is going to be a really good catalyst for this stock coming up in the next upcoming weeks. And I think once we break this 141.12 level, I think we're looking at quite a bit of a run up to the 150s from here. So paying attention to Disney in the next week. Wanted to give you guys a heads up about it. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Let's watch the spider tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Like we talked about earlier, some nice price action up there. It's a little early, up at 7:26. 8 o'clock is when this will open up. We'll get an idea of where futures are looking like for tomorrow. But nice level I'm looking at here. Even a potential tomorrow for a break of the all-time high of 309.46. I can't believe we're trading up here at these levels, but I guess